it's Kim at Geranium Lake Flowers and welcome to our YouTube channel. It's a place for everything flowers and creative stuff, and today we have a special project. I guess it's a crafting project, so check this out. Like, Kim, what are you making? I know, I've got an 8-foot downspout, gutter downspout, and we are making a candy chute. But anyway, this is going to be a great way for you to install this and provide safe social distancing trick-or-treaters. So what you do is, if this is your house, you put the candy in the top of the chute and then it comes out at the bottom. Really cute idea. I love it so much. Just so you know, there's this corner bracket on the bottom. So really easy. This costs 59 cents. This guy costs $7.19. So anyway, I opted for the plastic. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna stick it in the tree, and that's where mom and dad or whoever lives in the house can put the candy down the chute. So I just have a bunch of random stuff. So I have little Happy Halloween picks, I have netting, I have scorpions, I have spiders, I have this cool, I don't know, this sisal fabric, of course. I've got the trusty glue gun. I love this glue gun. I've got snakes, I got spider webs, I got some netting. So the theme is, we started with my neighbor's house and they're so cute already. So we're going with kind of a spider, kind of viney theme. We're gonna cover this whole thing and mummify it and put spiders and lights and just make it super cool. So first I'm gonna get started with some ivy that I picked that is kind of creeping in on my fence. And I'm just gonna go ahead and wire with this silver painted green wire, the ivy to the gutter. So check this out. Meanwhile, Caesar is putting a piece of rebar down, and that's gonna hold this guy up a little bit. Okay, you can see what we did. We just got some wire and some zip ties and some packing tape, and we kind of just used the packing tape because I know you guys have this at home, right? So let's start adding the vines. So we've got the vines on, and now next step, oh, check these out. We've got these green LED lights that are left over from a function. We're just gonna tape them on, and we just decided we're only gonna do one strand because they're pretty long. So we just used tulle. I know, tulle, it's so easy. And you can see I'm just kind of draping it over super loose. So this is something you can have your kids or your neighbors or anyone can help you. It makes it look super festive. So this stuff is kind of nasty fun because it just kind of sticks to the tulle. So I guess if you're bow people, you could make a huge bow, but we're just gonna make it super organic and kind of loose, and it looks really fabulous. So we're using a combination of wire and duct tape. It's looking really good. I think now we're on to spiders and more web. We have these brown spiders that we could, I got these at the dollar store. So we're gonna make it a little spookier. Greenleaf is always so kind and supportive, and they gave us some black paint. So special thanks for Greenleaf for always making us look so great. And we're using a glossy black spray paint, and we are adding some moss because it makes it look a little spookier. And I'm just hitting it with a little bit of spray paint. We're adding the spiders. And then we have these cute little Halloween picks that I got at Michael's this morning. And yeah, a Halloween scorpion. I know, funny, right? So next up we have this cheesecloth, and we're gonna put it over the moss. And it's not, I got too excited for the spiders, so. So we were thinking about putting the skull at the opening of the candy chute because that looks really good. Yeah. So we'll go ahead and get another piece of wire. Plain old packing tape. So because there's so much stuff that you can't really see, we just tape stuff on and it worked great. So Caesar is filling up the skeleton brain with spider eggs. Okay, it's time to add the animals. I know. So we've got a black snake. So it's looking pretty good. You definitely have to improvise. We decided that we like the skeleton, so his jawbone, so he has good posture, and so the kids can see. We have a little stump that I got in my garden, and we just put a snake down. We made this fabulous little sign. So check this out, because people are not gonna know what this is. So this says, caution falling candy. So basically you can't really tell it's a gutter downspout, can you? So look at this guy. This guy is really good. We have spider eggs that we just took some tulle and put some white beaded necklaces. And yeah, so cute, right? So adorable. We put some little green lights. We put a lot of gauze, a lot of spiders. And I think this is the perfect way to attract trick-or-treaters in this pandemic safe kind of way. I have some trick-or-treaters, my cute neighborhood kids. Hold down your bags. Here we go. Thanks for watching, and if you need any more tips on how to make the candy chute, message us. Be sure to follow, subscribe, hit that alert button. Happy Halloween. We love you. Bye.